Yo, all right. I've been doing a ton of research yesterday about putting my podcast up, and then you know, first source that you go to is Google, right? And I'm not gonna lie, I got a little overwhelmed about this whole podcasting thing, and it got me thinking like. Because as soon as I typed in how to set up a podcast or how to upload a podcast, it just got me down this rabbit hole that I wanted no part of. I just want the audio to get up there, and yeah, I got overwhelmed. So I was like, I just shut my computer off and then just walked away. It's crazy, man. The internet is freaking crazy, and it was just like take, just take and take and take value. It wasn't no offering of value at all. It was just like, yo, buy this course. I have this course. And then you have these ads following you around the internet, just like buy this course, buy this course. You'll learn the secrets, like how to get your podcast ranked. I'm like, I don't want none of that. I just want to upload it and then worry about that as I continue along this process. And I had to take a look at what I was doing as well on the internet, with my content. Am I taking value or am I offering value? This journey that I've been on is more so like getting to know myself better, and in turn learning and knowing who I can be of service to. That's why I want to make this a community effort, is to know what your pains and frustrations are, and how I'm gonna be able to help based on my experience and knowledge in my field. My field is health and fitness. I am a personal trainer, so I have all this knowledge on how to help because I've helped multiple people, and in the internet space is like follow your niche or your niche, whatever terminology that is, and find your niche. And the crazy thing is, like, when I'm training individuals, right? I've trained models, I've trained high-powered attorneys, hedge fund managers, and these are an array of highly successful people, but it's not a niche. These people that I've helped is basically getting them to move better and feel better so that they can perform and excel at their lives, and this channel is basically getting me to do the same by committing every single day to publish a piece of content that'll get me to that time, closer to that time freedom and location freedom and the income that I'll be able to generate in order to do that. But it comes at some cost. Sometimes you have to be tactical, especially operating in this space. But I haven't come across those tactics just yet. I'm still processing, this niche sort of a thing. And, it gets frustrating at times, and it's like, who's my audience that I can help? But, like I said, you got to help yourself first. And my mission is to be the best version of myself that I could possibly be, and fill my cup. And hopefully by filling my cup through my content, I drop some pieces of gems and some value that you, the audience member or community member, can get some value off of, right? So that is the goal. I do not have any set niche or niche for this channel yet. It's just live my truth, be as authentic as I possibly can, and fill my cup and overflow it onto you, right? So that's why I always eager to the engagement, and getting in the comments, getting in my email, because I would like to know who you are and what are the frustrations and things that you're going through, so that we can help each other build and create more opportunity and a bigger, stronger community, right? Because day after day, I will be showing up, because as easy as it is to just hit record, you know, I am able to do that, and I am able to, you know, vomit my thoughts onto you, right? So I don't want it to be just one-sided, all about me. I would like to help you out, you know, because as an entrepreneur, we are problem solvers, right? And our ability to solve problems, you know, is what gets us the income, and, you know, yeah, it gives us the ability to get the income that we desire and help more people as well. So yeah, that's all I got today. I just wanted to just express sort of my thoughts and yeah, get back to work. Now, what I really need to do is figure out how I'm going to get this podcast up so I can get in the process of recording more episodes, because I have a lot to say and my friends have a lot to say. And ever since I published this last one, I just gotten hit up by a bunch of people, and I also reached out to a bunch of fitness professionals in the community so that we can sit at a round table and have these discussions and whatnot and see what comes out of it, you know, just share our thoughts, passions, ideas, and yeah, just have fun, because that's what we're in it for, right? Anyway, I'm not going to continue rambling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala.